Building a hyper-realistic digital presence used to take thousands of dollars in high-end animation software and rendering, but the creative playground completely shifted under our feet. Imagine launching an automated pipeline renders flawless lip-syncing characters without you ever having to buy a single green screen. This Flow AI guide changes the creator economy for good. We are skipping the generic theoretical advice and breaking down a complete operational roadmap. To stay completely safe from automated reuse content filters on YouTube, you need a unique design strategy. The foundation starts with curation. We pull up a clean interface on Pinterest to source high-contrast wardrobe inspiration. The foundation starts with curation. We pull up a clean interface on Pinterest to source high-contrast wardrobe inspiration, specifically focusing on elegant hijab aesthetics and structural outfits that set a premium visual tone. Here is a major technical pivot most creators completely miss. Never pull a stock image directly from the web and use it as your final face. To protect your brand from future copyright issues, you must always ensure the face of your avatar is uniquely generated by machine learning models. We use the clothing asset purely as a stylistic anchor, letting the AI map an entirely new, realistic human likeness over it. Now, we step into the back-end infrastructure by opening the localized workspace at Flow AI. Navigate directly to the project dashboard inside the ElevenLabs ecosystem. To format our production correctly for long-form video distribution, we choose the standard 16:9 widescreen ratio and adjust our matrix to run in batch outputs. The real magic happens right inside the prompt box. You lock your wardrobe source image down as a baseline reference file. Right underneath that layer, you write a highly specific architectural prompt instructing the engine to render a realistic, elegant young woman wearing a matching modern hijab seated inside a professional studio layout with depth of field. Sometimes, when executing multi-server traffic might stall or throw a Jenner failure flag. To bypass this processing bottleneck instantly, simply deploy Secure VPN on your device. Refresh your terminal session, hit the reuse command on your prompt layer, and let the system reinitialize the rendering pipelines smoothly. Look at these outputs. The machine learning model processes the text prompt flawlessly, delivering an original, hyper-realistic character portrait perfectly matched to our visual theme. This specific terminal execution blueprint pairs perfectly with Create High-Retention Content, the ultimate guide.
How to use Flow AI to create high-retention content. The ultimate guide.
Once you find the perfect render, you download the asset directly into your local asset folder. With our visual character fully locked in, we move to the scripting phase. To generate a natural, engaging conversation track, we pull up Google Gemini and draft a conversational, high-value script. We break this text layout down into short, punchy paragraphs, because short data blocks allow the video engine to process the highest quality mouth positioning and realistic pacing. Now, back inside the video generation module, attach your unique character portrait as the primary structural reference anchor. In the prompt area below, write your delivery instructions specifying a confident, natural posture and a clear vocal tone. Then, wrap your script text tightly inside inverted commas. This tells the engine to prioritize speech rendering. Hit the Generate command, and the background processing engine instantly begins rendering the lip-syncing frames. It maps the visual jaw movements, natural micro-expressions. Here is a major workflow cheat code for scaling your production output completely for free. Free workspace accounts provide a limited daily credit allocation. To build extended, long-form content assets without hitting a hard processing wall, you can systematically scale your operations, clean account sessions, copying your primary prompt parameters across profiles. You take paragraph 2 of your Gemini script, log into your secondary account environment, run the exact same character portrait reference file, and execute the next render. Repeat this simple batch process across your timeline slots to generate a full sequence of matching, high-definition visual modules that flow continuously. Once your individual video modules are fully rendered, you import the entire asset batch into a free timeline manager like CapCut. Because you maintain the exact same prompt configuration and primary reference file across every generation phase, the character's appearance, clothing, and background remain flawlessly uniform across all clips. You align the modules end-to-end on the timeline, maximize the output volume bars, and drop subtle transition blending layers over the clip breaks.
The final asset plays out as one long, high-retention podcast-style presentation, where the lip sync and character continuity remain perfectly anchored from start to finish.
Replacing tedious production bottlenecks with highly automated, data-driven workflows is how you scale your channel output exponentially without hitting creative burnout. If you want to keep dominating the modern YouTube algorithm, mastering advanced AI video frameworks, and building a highly profitable online asset, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. We drop deep dive operational blueprints every single week to give you a definitive competitive edge. Thanks for locking in today, and this is Online Business Solutions.